Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. As you know, this is sort of the kind of the week or the month of retail, so we're here right before Black Friday. Black Friday is the busiest shopping day of the year in the U.S. and probably in most of Europe as well. We're here with a lot of the one of the reasons we're here with a lot of the luxury stores as they moving more into Europe and more into Central and Eastern. So it's great to have them. This is really our kind of retail week, so we're happy to be here. And we're doing we want to also let you know about our retail guide, which is coming out of Mapic next week. So if you haven't done anything yet in the retail guide and you've got some locations for opportunities for retailers, let us know. We'd like to get you in the magazine for Mapping. We also have our CEE Retail Awards, which is coming up January 27th. So we've got over 100 retailers. If you haven't booked a table yet there or a sponsorship or you'd like to get something in our deal-making marketplace, let me know, because we've got over 100 retailers coming and they're all looking to expand their operations. So right now we'll go to a little video of our retail awards and then straight to Winston for the last day of the news. Ladies and gentlemen, join us for the 14th Annual Europa Property CEE Retail Awards. With over 100 expansion directors attending and the most active owners of shopping centers, retail parks, and big box retail, and they're ready to do deals. This event is not to be missed. During the day, we have our retail marketplace, which focuses on deal-making retailer presentations and the CEE Retail Forum. Then in the evening, our big retail awards gala, which starts at 7 and finishes late into the evening.
Good morning and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show, and here are the highlights from EuropaProperty.com website for today. And today we'll start with the Urban Land Institute, who have kicked off a new project in partnership with several major real estate organisations, including Alliance Real Estate, Catella, Heinz, Rodevco and Schroders Capital, that will support the built environment in Europe on its urgent journey to carbon neutrality. The project, titled Fast Track to Decarbonisation, an integrated roadmap for the built environment, is part of ULI's focus on decarbonisation as one of its global priorities as the Institute delivers its mission to shape the future of the built environment for transformative impact in communities worldwide. A fast track to decarbonisation aims to support the industry across Europe to speed up and scale the decarbonisation process by analysing and consolidating the real estate industry's approach to net zero, assessing progress and the impact of the industry frameworks, as well as identify urgent gaps and barriers that need to be bridged. And according to ULI Europe's CEO, Lisette van Doorn, a lot is already happening in the industry. Many investors and managers have already announced net zero carbon targets. However, many experience significant challenges when trying to implement these pledges. These range from legacy regulation or insurance issues holding up new innovations, current real estate valuation approaches, not addressing the risks appropriately, hence complicating the business case for making the necessary investments, to lack of knowledge and expertise across the value chain and alignment issues between tenants and landlords. Moving to Poland and on the investment market, in Q3, Poland's commercial real estate investment revived and was accompanied by much optimism than the previous periods of 2021, says BNP Paribas Real Estate. Logistics and industrial space are still the leaders among the sectors. And an important event which happened in the third quarter was the change of ownership of the Warsaw Metropolitan Office Building, designed by Norman Foster, with the value which exceeded 1 billion zlotys. In Q3, investors spent close to 1.6 billion euros on commercial properties, which increased the total investment volume in 2021 to around 3.6 billion euros. And BNP emphasised that the achieved result is still lower by around 10% when compared to the same period of 2020, which was largely influenced by the pandemic. However, comparing transactions from Q3 alone with the comparable period in 2020, a clear increase can be seen, and it's estimated at above 50%, and it's a clear sign of recovery. And moving on, and staying in Warsaw and staying in Poland, and Savills has been appointed as the exclusive leasing advisor for the Marynarska Point 1 office building in Warsaw's Mokotów district. The building comprises of around 13,270 square metres of modern office space spread over 10 floors. And the property has been certified BREEAM in use excellent and is a COVID-19 safe asset. And according to Savills, this is one of the most iconic buildings in the Mokotów district, and it is suitable for large and smaller companies that value functional and modern offices and sustainable construction. Maranasca Point 1 changed hands in 2021, and it was acquired by an investment fund managed by the Eventum Group. And finally for today, Georgia's first outlet project, Tbilisi Outlet Village, is progressing well and is due to be opened in autumn 2022. The development is already 60% leased. It's developed by the Georgian Outlets and Resort Group in close collaboration with Torg International. And it was recently awarded Project of the Future at the EuropaProperty Investment Awards. And according to Barbara Horatz from Torg International, she says, Georgia is a strongly emerging market and a fashion hotspot at the edge of Europe that many brands are looking at in these turbulent times. We felt hugely honoured to receive the prestigious prize at the Project of the Future at the CE Awards in Warsaw in October. And this is testimony to the recognition of the project in industry circles. We're determined to make Tbilisi Outlet Village the #1 outlet in Eastern Europe. And those are the headlines for today. For more news, please log on to EuropaProperty.com throughout the day, where the website will be updated. Thank you very much.
Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.